Hi, I'm Amy Schmidt with Dinner Board with 5 things to make this week. Recipe number 1, easy skillet lasagna. I love lasagna, but boy, does it take a long time to make, and I usually reserve making it for the weekends. But I found this great recipe hack for lasagna that takes 30 minutes to make and uses 4 ingredients. So definitely something to try out this week if you're craving lasagna. Recipe number 2 is veggie enchiladas. I know Taco Tuesday is all about the taco, but sometimes it can be about enchiladas. And these vegetarian enchiladas covered with cheese are delicious, and I promise you won't miss your taco this week. Recipe number 3 is dragon bowls. I think it's technically salad, but dragon bowls sounds so much more intriguing than dinner salad. So I found this recipe on a website called Choosing Chia and used it as a guide. I switched out some of the vegetables that she had for vegetables that I think my family would really like, and I also switched out the protein as well. And I have to say, my family just loved it. Recipe number 4 is surf and turf sausage and shrimp sheet pan. That's a mouthful. I love surf and turf. Here in New England, it's typically steak and lobster, and I wanted to create something for a weeknight dish that would incorporate those flavors of the sea and the land. So I came up with a recipe that is shrimp and kielbasa, along with some veggies and a little smoked paprika that gives the dish a coastal cookout taste. And recipe number 5 is butternut squash noodles with brown butter and sage. That's exactly what the recipe is. There's actually a little Parmesan cheese in there as well, but it's those simple ingredients. It takes 20 minutes to make. It's super satisfying and a little more healthier than pasta. I found it on a website called boulderlocavore.com, which I will share on my site. So that's the recipes for this week. Please comment below, let me know what sounds good, what you might make. Like and subscribe, and check down below for all of the recipes for this week. Thanks.